Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Sunny of Sunrise 75 channel, the home of educational and positive videos. Sa video na ito ay aking ibabahagi yung paano ba natin tinitingnan yung ating sarili. Tinitingnan ba natin ang ating sarili na mahalaga? Tinitingnan ba natin yung ating sarili na makakapag-contribute tayo di lang sa family, hindi lang sa society, but even to the design and plans of God for us and for humanity. Ayan! Maraming pagkakataon nalulungkot tayo, maraming pagkakataon naaawa tayo sa ating sarili, maraming pagkakataon tinitingnan natin yung ating sarili na parang hindi naman ako ganun kahalaga. No, kasi wala naman ako masyadong contributions. But I would like to share this verse from Isaiah 49:15-16. Ang sabi dito, "Can a mother forget at her breast and have no compassion on the child she has born?" Ayan. "Though she may forget, I will not forget you. See, I have engraved or carved you on the palms of my hand." Ayan. May mga pagkakataon minsan sa buhay na parang hindi natin nakikita yung ating worth. Pero malinaw na tayong lahat ay mahalaga. At kung titingnan natin sa Isaiah 49:15-16, sinabi niya, "I have engraved you, I have carved you on the palms of my hand." So in other words, hindi ka basta-bastang matatanggal, madidelete, mai-erase. Why? Because you were carved. You were carved on the palm of the hands of the Lord. Ganon ka kahalaga sa Kanya. Ganon din ba ang tingin natin sa ating sarili na mahalaga tayo? Why am I mentioning this one? Kasi kapag nakita natin na mahalaga tayo, no? Mahalaga yung ating sarili. And then mag-iiba yung ating mindset. Mag-iiba din yung ating behavior. Mag-iiba yung ating mga pwedeng gawin at pwedeng ma-accomplish. Bakit? Because you believe that you can do something. Because you believe that you are important. Because you believe that the Lord is expecting something from you that you need to accomplish. Why? Mahalaga ka eh. May role ka. Importante ka. So hopefully makita natin at mabago natin yung ating mindset na hindi tayo mahalaga. Because for God, He carved us on the palms of His hand. Follow for more of this content. Bye for now.